In a small Indian village, mischievous friends set their sights on adventure. Temptation beckons as the friends eye the forbidden feast. Play turns perilous as the bridge wobbles under their weight. Danger lurks as the structure protests against their folly. Victory achieved, but at what cost? They are now trapped in a foreign land. Worried whispers spread through the village as they witness the plight of the wayward wanderers. Unity emerges in the face of adversity as the community rallies to right the wrong. Lessons learned, they tread carefully on the path to redemption. Adversity breeds wisdom as the community fortifies itself against future trials. Laughter and joy fill the air, proof that unity conquers all.